guys, welcome back to my channel. I am unboxing my brand new shoes from Valentino. I'm so excited to show you what I purchased. This is the box, beautiful red box, says Valentino, and then you have the dust bag that says Valentino on it as well. And then let's see this beauty. I'm gonna have some pictures of these shoes because I did try them on at the mall, so I'm going to show how it looks on feet. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, so pretty. So the bottom has this raffy material. I think it's called raffy. And it has like little gold. Sorry, but my phone, I think the memory on my phone is full, so I had to delete some photos and videos. So let's continue. So on the bottom, it says size 38. When it comes to luxury boots and shoes, I'm usually a 39 or 39 and a half. In sneakers, I'm a size 38. Surprisingly, this fit me perfectly and it's a size 38. I bought these from Nordstrom. I used my Nordstrom gift card that I received for Christmas. So I was able to get these I was able to get these wedges for a lot less, $50 less. The original price is $7.90 and no tax because there's no tax in my state. But they also have this in the black. The black has one, I think, one single strap, but they didn't have it in my size. Hopefully I can find it in black with the single strap in size 38. These are so, so gorgeous. I can't wait to wear them this summer. I did a poll on my Instagram and I had this and another pair of shoes, which I will put a picture of. I think everybody chose this instead of the other one, and I agree, these do look a lot nicer. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Please leave any comments you have down below. Please click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post another video. I appreciate all my new subscribers and thank you for my existing subscribers. Guys, I will see you in my next video. I have some new items that I purchased that I will unbox for you guys shortly. Bye, guys.